Welcome back, guys. My name is Jason. You can call me Coach J. I help people to optimize their workspace to take full advantage and control of their environment so that they can see improvements in their focus and clarity. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the 23rd strategy that I've included in my guidebook, which is in the link down below. So go ahead and check that out. It's completely free. You'll get 25 of my favorite strategies that I've used to really take control of my immediate surrounding so that it works for me and not against me. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video. Don't compromise your priorities. Now I want to begin by first talking about my grandma. My grandma is pretty old, and in her wisdom, she keeps and constantly tells me every time we talk to take care of my health, because if you're not healthy, you can't do all the other things that you want to do. So that kind of is the preface for this video, because it shows that it doesn't matter how many accomplishments you have or how many badges or medals you have under your belt. If you are not healthy, and which is one priority that I'm going to be talking about, they just won't matter to you, right? So without firm foundations, you cannot build. Like I said, without taking care of your health, you won't be able to truly enjoy the accomplishments that you made, which is a really sad thing, because the whole point of it is to enjoy the fruits of your labor. But if you can't do that, then that's you're missing out on basically the whole entire point of it. Next thing I want to talk about is it is connected to performance. Like I said, if you have firm foundations, you will be able to build on that, and eventually it will affect the performance that you'll be bringing to your work. So what do you do when you know this, and you know that you have to be protecting your priorities? Well, you have to stick to your priorities no matter what. And that just begins with a commitment. You have to commit to your priorities first before you do anything. And that's really important, because once you have those priorities, you'll be able to see where you're going. And more importantly, you'll have clear boundaries so that you can say no to some things and yes to other things. Have clear expectations for you. So whatever happens, like I said, if you know that you will be taking care of yourself, by eating well, exercising well, and just getting enough sleep, just by doing those things you're optimizing your body and being ready, right? Being ready to tackle the day and to enjoy the fruits of your labor. So these are the three things that I've written down in importance to me, in the order of importance. Sleep being the first one. I need my 8 hours of sleep, or else I'll feel off a little bit and demotivated. Diet obviously is a big part of my life, and it should be with yours. And you know how you feel when you eat unhealthy food versus when you eat healthy food. And I don't have to go so much into depth about that, but just know that taking care of yourself with good food is a priority. Exercise. All right, so this one also, everybody talks about this, but it is so true. If you don't take care of your body physically with exercise, you'll only experience and live with the consequences of ignoring your physical needs. So I highly recommend that you place in your calendar, in your daily calendar, the priorities that you know you will commit to, and do it in a daily manner so that you can build your identity and be prepared to achieve more things in your work time. So hope you guys liked that video, or this video. If you did, click on the like button, leave a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button to see more videos like this and more. If you still have questions, let me know by leaving a comment below, and or directly messaging me. So hope you guys like this, and I'll see you in the next one.